Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to duplicate a legacy title. Let's begin! Let's start! When trying to duplicate a legacy title, here is an example of something many beginners get stuck with. First, I will show you what not to do, then teach you the correct duplication method. Try placing the title clips in the project panel on multiple timelines. The title is displayed like this. Let's change the content of one of these text boxes. Double-click on the clip to display the legacy title screen. I tried changing the text like this, but the text of the unmodified clip has changed as well. Now, I will explain how to properly copy legacy titles. Hold down the Alt key and drag and drop the title clip. This will add multiple titles to the project panel. It's important that the title clip is also duplicated in the project panel. Now let's edit the legacy title as before. Now you can duplicate the legacy title. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.